Today we're going to continue the carbon fiber theme on Smoke Show by installing an ACCELATEC carbon fiber fuel door. This ACCELATEC carbon fiber fuel door is made of real carbon fiber with a high gloss finish and will fit all 2015 through 2020 Mustangs. It'll install easily over the factory door with its applied promoter and double stick tape. First thing you do is grab this applied alcohol pad. We're going to clean the surface of the fuel door. Make sure there's no wax or residue on there. I'm just basically putting a piece like this on the top, another piece of tape on the bottom. So grab the adhesion promoter that's included. And just prep the surface here. This little double stick tape's provided, something like that. And peel back the backing and put it on the car. Open the door. Line up the edges. Press it on. And your installation's finished. The ACCELATEC carbon fiber fuel door fits great, super easy to install, and add a nice custom touch to any 2015 through 2020 Mustang. The installation should take you no more than about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll be back on the road in no time.